Tabletop blister packaging machine. Adjust the pressure regulator using the pressure meter cap. Turn on the main power switch. Set the required heating temperature using the temperature controller. Set the analog timer as per the sealing requirement. Press the red button to start the sealing operation. The blister tray platform moves downward to perform the sealing process and then automatically returns to the upward position. During the operation, the control panel indicator glows red, indicating that the sealing cycle is active. You can also press the red button located at the rear side of the machine to initiate the same sealing operation. Select the die according to the product and properly insert the blister tray inside the die. Cover it with sealing paper and place the blister tray under the sealing platform. Press the red button to start sealing. Once the sealing cycle is complete, the sealed blister tray exits the machine. Operators can perform the sealing operation from both sides of the machine, as red buttons are provided on both ends. This dual operation feature saves time and increases production speed. Compact tabletop design, ideal for laboratories, pharmacies, and small production units. Precise heat sealing system ensures strong and uniform blister sealing. Easy to operate controls for quick setup and minimal training. Compatible with PVC blister trays and aluminum foil for flexible packaging options. Low power consumption and low maintenance make it cost-effective for small batch production.